Hi, in the last video, we have finished our ducting layout for the ground floor and first floor and the outdoor units for the roof plane. Okay, now we have to place thermostats. In this video, I will teach you how to place the exact location of thermostats and how we can show in the drawing as well. Okay. Before to make, we have to make a legend for thermostat. For example, this is T. T mean thermostat. Make a circle around. If you want, you can change this text style also, but I will keep same here. 1.2 little big and change its color to yellow to highlight. Okay, make it smaller like this. And if you want, you can make offset also. Offset 0.5. This is drawing in centimeters. Okay, and then make a block. P enter. Thermostat. In other words, we can say remote control for the AC. Okay. Now let's start from this majlis area. Just makes its scale bigger, 1.5, so it will show in PDF. This is the majlis. Okay, where we can keep the thermostat. Let me make you understand first. This is the entrance of the majlis. Okay, when you place the thermostat, keep in mind the entrance point. Okay, this is the entrance and door will close to this side. Okay, so we will keep our thermostat the opposite side of the closing. Okay, our door is closing this side, so our thermostat will be this side. Okay, like this. Now for example, this hall area. Okay, we will keep our thermostat. This is the entrance, so this is open entrance. There is no door for this one, so we can keep this side also and this side also. Okay, wherever you want you can keep. Okay, so I will recommend this side immediate after the entrance. Okay, here also we can keep, not a problem, but here is better for me. When someone will come, he will go to the hall. You want to go to the hall, and here will be the thermostat. No need to go there to on the AC. Okay, I will keep it here. And next we have here dining area, and this is the entrance of the dining, so we will keep our thermostat here. Okay, opposite side of the door closing. Okay, now here also this is the kitchen, so in the kitchen don't put your thermostat here. Okay, and make it here. Okay, what is the reason we are going to make here? Here we have shelf. Okay, this is marble shelf, so it will not look good here, so better you can keep it here. Okay, when someone will enter, here is the thermostat. Okay, or you can keep here also. We have one entrance from the inside also. This is this one. Okay, this is good. I think this is good. Follow this one, no need here. Okay, now this kitchen also done. Go to the maid room. This is the entrance of the maid room. Maid room also you can make here. When someone will enter, immediate you will find the thermostat here. And then this is the bedroom also you can make your thermostat here. Okay, opposite side of the door. So this area is done, almost done. This is the store also you can keep. This is the store and this is the machine. You can make your thermostat. This is sliding door actually, so you can make it here somewhere. Okay, this is store because here they will keep maybe racks or shelves something, so make it after the entrance to the left side here. Okay, now let's go to the first floor. First floor we have, I think, 4 bedrooms. So let's go this bedroom first. This bedroom, this is the entrance. Okay, we cannot make opposite side here. Okay, we can make here. Okay, when someone will enter, he will find thermostat here, and here also same. When someone will enter, he will find thermostat here opposite walls. Then we have the sitting area. Sitting area, how to reach in sitting area from here? People will come, and this is common sitting area. So we can keep our thermostat this side. No need to make this side. Okay, this is kitchen area. Only maids will go this side, so we can keep here. And after we have this bedroom, here we have dress this side, so we can make opposite side here our thermostat. And this is bedroom, again we can make here. This side we have our dresser here, so we will keep opposite side. That's it. Now if you want to show the looping for this one, you can show the looping. You can make polyline or SPL supplying. Okay, you can take SPL like this and enter, make in a red color because this is a wire. Okay, this machine serving to this area, so this wire will go there like this, and you can change its routing, total routing. Okay, and here also SPL connect to the machine to the thermostat. Okay, you can make close like this and match. Will also this tool is done. Now this machine will serve this area SPL up to here. Just show like this, and it's a thermostat wire. It will come like this till the thermostat. I will change color one time only altogether. You can connect this also. Enter. You can close this. Okay. SPL. Okay. You can make SPL like this, and then this one also. Change the color into red all. Now you have first floor here SPL. You can check which side is electrical box for the machine. I will take the same side I think. I'm not sure which side we can take, but you can check technically. SPL. I am making this after long time. Oh sorry, this will go there. Just like that we have to show the wire. SPM, sorry, and this machine like this, and then SPL will be there. That's it, and change the colors. Okay, that's it. Now we finish the thermostat also. In coming tutorials, we will go more in depth, and I will teach you how to make openings and sections and elevations for the ducts.